Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if there's an easy way to make your cucumbers healthier and more productive using something you probably already have at home today? I'm going to reveal a trick that can improve the health of your plants and boost your harvest. Stay with me to find out more. If you love gardening, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more tips for your garden in this video. We're talking about the incredible benefits of using baking soda for fertilizing cucumbers. You might have heard of it in your household, but did you know it can improve your plant growth and prevent some of the most common diseases that affect cucumbers? Sounds unbelievable. Keep watching because we'll soon reveal all the details. Baking soda is much more than just a cleaning ingredient. In the world of gardening, it plays a key role in keeping plants healthy, especially cucumbers. One of the reasons baking soda is so effective is that it helps reduce the pH level in the soil. This pH change helps plants absorb nutrients from the soil better, making them healthier and more resistant to diseases. Additionally, baking soda acts as a natural protection against fungal infections, like powdery mildew, which is a common problem for cucumbers. It also improves air circulation around the plants, which is important for the health of their leaves and fruits. It's important to note that baking soda should be used in the right concentration. Overuse can lead to issues, so it's crucial to know the proper amount for optimal results. Also, remember that regular watering and ensuring your cucumbers get enough sunlight is essential. Good growing conditions also require attention to soil moisture. Here's how to prepare the perfect mixture for your cucumbers. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 liter of water. Mix these ingredients together, put them into a spray bottle, and spray your cucumbers in the morning or late afternoon when the temperature is not too high. This will help them grow stronger and healthier. This simple trick with baking soda can make a huge difference in your garden. If you apply this method regularly, you'll see much healthier cucumbers and a better yield. Now it's time to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more useful gardening tips are coming soon. Thanks for watching and good luck with your cucumbers.